Today is January 29th, 2016, and this is ULP News. According to our sources, about 35 to 40% of all police chases end in a car crash. According to our sources, the venom of the blue-ringed octopus comes from bacteria found in its salivary glands. According to our sources, corgi means dwarf dog in Welsh. According to our sources, it takes 40 minutes to boil an ostrich egg. It is commonly known that an ostrich egg contains 2,000 calories. An ostrich egg is so strong that it can support the weight of a 200-pound person. According to our sources, ostrich racing is popular on the Arabian peninsula, where children are used as jockeys. Some snails live in the desert. Aside from the absence of a shell, there is not much difference between a slug and a snail. According to our sources, snails can have hundreds to thousands of teeth. According to our sources, there was a 60-mile traffic jam in China that lasted 10 days. According to our sources, the average driving speed in Beijing is 15 miles per hour. According to our sources, maraschino cherries are actually pronounced maraschino cherries. According to our sources, maraschino cherries are grown in Italy and start out yellow. After that, they're bleached to pure white and then dyed red. According to our sources, the face on the popular coin currency in America known as the Sacagawea dollar is actually pronounced Sacagawea. That's right. Not Sacagawea, Sacagawea. 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 Sacagawea.